Let's talk about another industry of death, and that is what I call the MLM Support Companies. MLM Support Companies. Now, what's the definition of an MLM Support Company? An MLM Support Company, or a network marketing support company, is a company that is designed to support your primary network marketing company. Let's say that you're in a company where you're marketing vacation packages, okay? And we'll talk a little bit more about that in a while. You're marketing vacation packages, and let's say that you think, well, I really need some leads for my business, so I'm going to find some leads of people that want to take vacations, or people that have taken vacations before and they might be open to me calling them and selling them a vacation package, or people that are looking for business opportunities, and I can sell them on the business opportunity side of my business. So essentially what we do is we go to different companies on the web. Maybe we go out to our friends, and all of a sudden we find this company that says, yes, we will sell you leads, but even better than that, look at this. We will give you the opportunity to earn commissions on the leads that we're selling to you. So if you refer other people to these leads, we'll pay you a commission. Better than that, we will not only pay you a commission, we're going to pay you a commission on 7 generations of unilevel bonus. In other words, this is a network marketing company where you can earn commissions all the way down the line by referring your entire downline to these sales leads. Okay? So can you imagine, introducing, let's say you have a downline of several hundred people, and then all of a sudden you have the leads program, you send that through your downline, and everybody's not only making money from their primary company, but now they're making money from their secondary company. They're getting leads, but instead of paying for the leads, they're getting a commission check back from all the people they've signed up on the program so that they can sell the leads and make money, make extra money. Well, I can tell you right now, it's not just sales leads companies. It's things like, we have right now, there's things out there like, there was a service that allowed you to do auto dialers, where you signed up for the service and it would actually let you send out 200, 300, 400, 500 auto dial messages to people's answering machines, and it's kind of a lead generation system, and you got paid multi-level structure on people that you introduced to the service. Okay? Then we have things like website building services, website hosting services, all sorts of different things. I mean, you can't imagine all the things that you can actually participate in this particular arena. What I will tell you is that there's major warning flags in this area. MLM support companies will kill your primary business. They will distract your distributors. They will cause many problems with your business. And almost every time I've seen them creep into a primary program, I've seen people regretting that they ever told their distributors about the multi-level site. Now, I'm not saying that you don't use lead services or website hosting businesses, replicating sites, different services to help you build your business. But what I am saying is you do not promote the multi-level, multi-tier structure that is a part of that business. You don't promote 2 network marketing companies simultaneously, side by side. If you do that, you run the risk of becoming what many people term a network marketing peddler, a peddler of companies, and people don't take you seriously. Plus, there becomes the argument and the problem with having all of this fighting and bickering about whose lead is whose. That's where all these companies will get you into, concerns and problems. When you have a situation where people are literally fighting over whose lead was whose, and companies create policies and procedures to prevent their distributors from cross-recruiting people into other programs. It's basically to hurt, to cause people not to have hurt feelings, or to actually get to the point where they get so mad that they want to start suing each other because, you've taken somebody's lead, you've taken somebody's contact that you brought in to a network marketing situation, and you would have not have known this person had you not brought them into the network marketing deal, and then behind their back you recruit them into something else. Somebody that you met through the primary program, you recruit them into a secondary deal, and it wasn't your prospect to recruit. It was somebody you met 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tiers down the road. So trust me when I say, absolutely, it is a problem. It is an issue. MLM support companies need to be looked at very carefully. Let's look at the next thing. Industries of death. The next thing I call commodities. Commodities do not do well in network marketing. They absolutely are not network marketing friendly. And what I mean by commodities, I'm meaning things like, well, let's define what's a commodity. A commodity is a product that can be offered. It's kind of like a product that's standardized throughout the world. In other words, if you were to take something that you were making, batch of cookies, and you used an ingredient like flour or sugar or chocolate chips even. Well, chocolate chips maybe not as close because there's so many varieties, but flour, sugar, and you were to substitute out one company's flour for another company's flour for another company's flour, doesn't matter which company, and the chocolate chip cookies turn out the same, that's generally a commodity. It's something that is regulated by world markets, and things like what I have listed on this page here. I have things like oil, natural gas, grains like flour, wheat, barley. I have a picture of a board. It looks like a 2x4 or something, 2x6. There, it's lumber, anything that can be cut into lengths. Lumber, computer chips, orange juice, even pork bellies, and all sorts of different things. Even bandwidth can be now considered a commodity. And although you might be able to make money trading commodities, you might be able to make money in selling a product that is a commodity, even though it's very much kind of regulated worldwide by the world markets. It is a horrible, horrible product for network marketing. You want to stay away from anything that reeks of commodity. Okay, another industry of death, what I call guaranteed losers, absolute guaranteed losers, and that would be, well, I'm going to give you some examples, but it's not limited to these examples that I'm going to give you. It's basically anything that when you hear it, you think they're selling that through network marketing? Why would they be selling that through network marketing? Whenever you get that kind of reaction, run the other way because it's probably the right reaction. It's your intuition saying, that just doesn't make any sense. And it's funny because I like to look at the business opportunity rags or the business opportunity magazines. We advertise in a lot of magazines and trade publications, and so I'm constantly monitoring them, looking at them, trying to check out what's involved, what's in there. And so I'm always seeing what they're marketing, what they're offering. And many times I see things like satellite television goes MLM, microwave ovens go MLM, refrigerators go MLM, home appliances go MLM, search engines go MLM, cigarettes go MLM, fruitcake goes MLM. That last one, I'm actually I'm putting together a little project right now on the side. I'm looking for some angel investors on fruitcake goes MLM. I think it could be huge. But just, a lot of people, they think it's funny when I mention things like that, but honestly, gasoline goes MLM. It's just on and on and on. You'll see people trying to come out with some crazy industry that just doesn't belong in network marketing. And one way that you can tell that it's not right is that it's like, it sounds like it's the first time it's being offered. That's always a red flag. The second red flag is it's been offered a dozen times and it's never made it. Everybody thought it was all exciting last year when everybody came out with all these gasoline programs. Wow, it's perfect because the gas prices are so high, and we come out with these gas savings programs for the first time to make money in network marketing. Trust me, folks, it's not the first time. This has happened over and over and over and over again over the years. It's just that you may not have heard of it before. You may not have been involved with it before, but they've tried it before and it's failed every time. History repeats itself. And if you don't know what that history is, if you haven't seen what has happened in the past, you're never going to be warned that it's not going to make it this time. So just be careful when you look at these different industries. Anything that goes MLM or anything that sounds like a gimmick probably is.